Hello, my name's Martin Fish and I'd like to introduce you to 3 new mowers in the Cobra VX range. These are 3 rotary mowers, all with a rear roller, that will make a great job of putting a stripe on your lawn. And they're all powered by the new 40 volt Max Plus battery, which has got ICT, intelligent cell technology, which improves and optimizes the performance of the battery. Looking at them here, we've got 3 mowers. We've got 2 of them that have both got a 43 centimetre 17-inch cut. This one is a push mower and this one is self-propelled, and then the larger one that we've got here is a 51 centimetre 20-inch cut, and all 3 of them will make a smashing job of keeping your lawn in good condition. For more information on the VX range or any of the Cobra products, go to cobragarden.co.uk.